guys, welcome back to my channel, The Little Talk. So today, I know I'm sweating profusely because I just came from outside, and today I'm going to share with y'all the recipe of my normal meal, what I eat on a normal basis, like daily. It was a request from someone, so even I myself is a sucker for home food, so I thought why not share with y'all just normal meal recipe. And let's go without any further delay. So today I'll be preparing this mushroom. It's a guest mushroom in our town. We don't get it here. It's all the way from Nepal, and this has been soaked for maybe an hour or more than that. Just look at them, so cute. Yes, I'm going to prepare this one in my own style. There isn't such, engraved recipe for this one. I don't know what's the name of this mushroom, but it seems very interesting because I've never tasted, and also I've never seen this kind of mushroom in my whole life. Let's see how it's gonna be. So I have my raw ingredients ready right here. Onion, chilies, tomato, and some garlic. I'll be using this potato and only kitty tomato, motor, and only this much of mushroom because other people, they don't want it with mutter. That's why I'll be cooking with this one. So let's go. Some turmeric powder, red chili powder, some tomatoes, chopped tomatoes. Now I'll be adding the mushroom. A little bit of gharka paste. Just so finally my guest mushroom is ready. I've just given it a name of guest mushroom because I actually don't know the name. Thank you, मेरे सब्जी.
Wait a minute.
My chicken lollipop.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो.
This is my chicken lollipop. Keep up, hello. But मिठो बनाइदिन्छ है यहाँ चाहिँ. You should come. यो हेमिल्टन कम्बो रेस्टुरेन्ट भने यहाँ हाम्रो यही छ. ट्रिबिन टोलको मार्केट जाने बाटोमै छ. Chito banana, I'm so hungry. I'm gonna eat it with my mushroom, guest mushroom. Guest mushroom? Woo! Woo!
No, the one that done that.
Khatra!
मध्ये काय वस्तू
This is my chicken lollipop. So I'm finally ready with my food. This is my rice and sabji maile banako, the one which I cooked. The mushroom you can see. Oh my god. And some salad. And this one is the chicken lollipop, which I just brought from that shop. Woo! So it completes my plate with this delicious chicken lollipop and my food. Okay, so let's start. I'm famished. The mushroom is so tender and nice. I'm done. Bye bye. See you guys in the next video.